Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am gonna tell you how you can increase your damage in Craftersmc Skyblock. So let's start the video. First, you can increase your damage by increasing your critical chance and critical damage. You can see it in statistics in Skyblock menu. This should be your goal to increase it. Second, you can increase your damage by pets. You can use zombie pet or more higher stats giving pet while doing slayers. My recommendation is zombie pet because it deals 60% more damage to zombie. But you should use legendary pets and above 50 level pets. It gives good stats. Third, you can use augments in your pets. If you don't know where you can buy augments, let me show you. Follow me. This is the house. From this NPC you can buy any augment you want. My recommendation is Iron Claw because it gives you 40% more critical chance and damage. Fourth, you can increase your damage by armor. It is generally based on which armor you are wearing. If you are wearing a Reaper armor, you will get higher stats. The more expensive your armor is will give you good stats. Now fifth, you can increase your damage by weapons. Each and every weapon has different stats. Like Revenant Sword deals 150% more damage to zombie. On other hand, the Reaper Sword deals another. Now sixth one, you can increase damage by Reforge. Don't worry, I will make another video on Reforge. I will explain all Reforge, which you should apply and which doesn't. Now seventh and the last, you can increase your damage by talismans. Talismans are very much important in increase in your damage. It is also based on Reforge, so I will cover it in next video very detailedly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.